Good morning. I am unboxing my new, previously loved Akona dive bag. I wanted the really big dive bag for dive trips and cruises, so it would have enough room for all of my dive gear and room for my clothing and shoes, and I can't wait. I ordered this, gosh, back at the beginning of December, and it is just now arriving in the new year. So it came all the way from California, and I can't wait to see what it looks like, because you know how when you order on eBay, you're not quite sure if it's going to be a lot more worn than you had thought, or if it's going to be in the same condition that you had anticipated. I'm going to set the knife up here. Oh wow, it actually looks like it's in really good new shape. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's the big one. It's the really big one, and it looks, oh my gosh, it looks almost brand new. Oh, it's got a little carabiner here. Oh, you can't see. Okay, let's see what we've got. I saw this in the dive shop, and I really, really liked it, but it was fairly expensive. It wasn't on my budget at the moment. Looks like this is kind of like where your regulator bag goes, except I've been using a laptop bag, so I don't know if it will fit in there. Oh, this bag is padded. That's a nice feature, and it's got a little bit of a hook in it, so whatever you put in there doesn't fall down, I suppose. Nice. Okay. Ah, here's the famous spot where the water bottle goes. Don't know where the water bottle is. Maybe it's on the inside. Whoa. Here is a really enormous section for the world's longest fins. It's definitely bigger than my fins. Same on the other side. And this is a nice feature. It's got like a mesh panel. I don't know if you can see my hand in there. It's got a mesh panel, and they're really big mesh areas, so that whatever's in there, it looks like even sand can fall out if you needed it to. Okay, so here's the big question. It's got a travel label there. It's got, oh, let's see how tall the, okay, that's going to work. It's not going to hit me in the feet. That's good. And it zips up so that that doesn't get messed with. All right, let's see what we've got on the back. There's some kind of a pouch here on the back with Velcro. And there's something in it. I wonder if they intend for you to use this as a backpack, because if it was a backpack, it would be awfully heavy. I've got to know what's in here though, so I'm opening it. Nothing. There's nothing in here. It's just an additional, really, really secure spot. But there is a tab here and a tab here. So you're intended to do something with this. Oh, okay. I suppose if you have another bag, you could, maybe this goes around the front to cinch it down, but maybe it goes around the back. Nope, there's a clip thing on each end, so it goes somewhere toward the front. Okay. Have to look. Where does that go? Alright, I have no idea what those do. None at all. Maybe it's one of those where you unzip here and it's got, oh my gosh. Yes. You unzip here and it's got these, so you can wear it as a backpack. Oh my goodness. It's got really nice padded straps, but this would be awfully big for a backpack. I'll take it. All right. Last thing to look at, most exciting, is the inside. And I believe it has a regulator bag that someone can put their name on. There's a nice big section here. It's got some straps in here, and there is a regulator bag with Adler on it. I don't know who Adler is, but that's probably a really good idea to put your name on your regulator bag. No sign of the Akona water bottle. Maybe I can order one of those online. It does have another clip inside it. But this is going to be fantastic. It's huge. It's like an enormous rolling bag. Yeah, that's going to fit there perfectly. An enormous rolling bag with plenty of room for all of my dive gear and everything. I think I could pack for a 7 to 14 night cruise in this bag. It is that big. All right. Akona large size dive bag. I think this weighs in at about 10 pounds. It doesn't really feel like it. I'm going to put it on the scale in a minute though and find out. Weighs pretty big. It's probably a little bit big for flying. It might be larger than some of the airlines allow. But for a cruise, when you're not limited to how much gear you can take, it's going to work great. So, see you later on this week in the Bahamas, going diving with Stewart's Cove. Talk to you later. Bye.